Hey guys, welcome back. Here we go again, another repair on a pool cleaner. This is so common, happens all the time. You can see this backup valve has split right here. Now, first of all, you're gonna wanna throw it away. They don't have to throw it away, do they, Jake?
Nope.
Simple, easy, super easy repair. Let me show you how. All right, Jake, show us how to do it. I'm gonna take the collar off of the bottom. So what's actually broken is just this collar that holds the top and the bottom together. So super easy fix. As Jake's taking that apart, we're going to use a G57. That's a backup valve collar. And there's the new one. Slide it over that. There is one little tab on this top piece that Jake's going to show us right there. That little tab goes into a notch inside of that case. So this little assembly may fall out. Just line it back up. See the nozzle goes in that hole? There you go. Stick that back in place. You're gonna line up the little tab. Yeah, he's making this look really hard, but it's not. He's doing it for effect, right, Jake?
Yep. Just to show what could happen.
There you go. So you get it stuck back together. We'll put the new top, the collar on it. There. The reason he's spinning that backwards is to get it lined up. That's the reason he's doing the threads backwards.
Won't thread.
There we go. Snug that baby down. And we'll put it back together. You notice this nut goes on first, then the hose. And even though this hose is smooth, that nut will thread right onto it because the soft rubber works out perfect. Anyway, that's how you fix it. So I'll put a link in the description for one of those collars, also a complete backup valve if yours is broken. Hope that helps, guys. Have a great summer.